Organizing your life may seem daunting, stressful, perhaps overwhelming, but it doesn't need to be. Today I'm going to share with you a few of the ways that I use mindfulness and simplicity to organize my life. Before we begin, I would really appreciate it if you would click subscribe and like. It really helps my channel grow. Thanks. Give yourself time to organize your life. I have found that when I schedule out time to reflect, prioritize, and plan, organizing my life is much easier. Organization of anything, whether it's work, school, or your home life, takes time. By scheduling and setting out time every week to get organized, you are setting yourself up for success. Get clear on what it is that you want to organize and plan in your life. It's like that saying, you can't see the forest for the trees. You know, when I'm feeling very unorganized and scattered, I have a hard time of knowing where to begin and where to start on a project or on organization. In order for me to be able to organize and plan my life, I need to take time to just get the thoughts out of my head and down onto paper. By writing things down, I can get millions of thoughts out of my head and in front of me so that I can actually start to make sense of my life and the direction I want to go. I love journals and journaling. There is something so therapeutic for me about actually connecting my thoughts and my mind to my physical body and my hand. Whenever I try to use my computer or my phone to do my planning, it's really easy for me to get distracted with either notifications or I see something on the side pop up. A pen and paper, I'm able to stay more focused and really intent on planning. You can use a journal or a notebook. It really doesn't matter. Just as long as you have all of your notes in one place, this way they're not easily lost. And also you can always go back to refer to what you were thinking and revise your plan that you had started. This first step of organization can sometimes feel a little chaotic, but that's okay. There is something so powerful about being able to look down and see what's actually happening in your mind. Prioritizing what's most important. There are two limited resources that we all have, and that's time and energy. And I wish that I had limitless time and energy to be able to do and accomplish everything that I want to, but that is just not reality. All I have is each day and this life, and I can only do the best I can. I have found that I am more productive and less stressed out when I take time to categorize the priorities in my life, depending on if they are important or not important. By becoming aware of the things that need to be completed by importance, this allows me to start organizing my time and energy. Creating a timeline, because time is limited and it's such a precious resource. It's nice to be able to put down timelines of the things that I want to accomplish. I have 3 different timelines. The first one is my long-term or big picture timeline. Looking ahead several years. Now, I know that we can never predict our future and life is constantly changing and moving and adapting, but at least it gives me an idea of the path I'm on and the direction I want to be heading and the objective at the end. Mid-term timeline. Taking 1 to 3 months and breaking it down more detailed oriented into a few months. This is a great way for me to actually take my big picture and start to break it down into things that I need to accomplish in a little bit closer time frame. Short-term timeline. Every week on Monday morning is when I have scheduled out my block of time to plan my short term, which is my week. This is very detailed and I keep in mind the things that are most important and that are time sensitive that need to be completed that week. I've noticed that I tend to underestimate the amount of time it takes me to accomplish things. And so for me, what works best is instead of doing a big giant to-do list, I really focus on 3 top things that need to get done each day. By taking a mindful and simplistic approach to organizing your life, you can turn something that is overwhelming, daunting, and stressful into something very therapeutic, calming, and enjoyable so that you can accomplish everything you want. Thanks so much for watching my video today. I really hope you enjoy it. If you did, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Also, check out some of these other videos on mindful living.